In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a live link and then also connect that live link to a button on your home page. So you can see that I'm in my math class. I'm on my home page here and I have two buttons down on the bottom, one for my live class links, one for my assignments. And we're going to work on getting a link for the live class links. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on calendar on my left-hand side. And I want to make sure that my math class over here on the right-hand side is highlighted, that I have that box checked. And then just for today, for example purposes, I'll just click on any date. But a pop-up is going to open up, and then you actually want to scroll down to the bottom to more options, and then you'll have this larger page that opens up. So I'm just going to put in math test link. You could type something really nice in here like click on the following link to be taken to your live class session. You could write anything in there. You can add pictures. You could add a calendar button in this area, whatever you want. But to get to the live class link, you're going to click on this red E on the right-hand side, and another pop-up window will open. You want to make sure that step 1 is clicked and the top circle on step 2, that the links match the LMS course names. And then go ahead and click submit. And that is going to give you a link that just says class. If you'd like to change the name of that or the text that comes up, you actually click on that link and click on link options, and this pop-up on the right will open. And you could see I can rename this to live math class or whatever I'd like to. And it also gives you the direct link to that Engageli session. So I'm just going to copy that and click on done. Now, if I scroll down, this is where I can set up the frequency so I do not have to change my links throughout the school year. I can go down to frequency and I can click on custom, and another pop-up is going to come up. And then right here, I want to click on repeat every week. So for a math class, I have a live math class Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And so I can click on that to repeat on those days. And I can have that end in May of 2026 on our last day of school. And I can click on done. And then I can go ahead and click on the bottom, create event. And it will just tell me this event has been created successfully. And then if I go back to my calendar, I can see that I have that live link for the entire school year. So here's August, September. It has shown up every single day that I've selected for it to recur. If you want to delete it, let's say we have a day off, you can just click on one of the links and click edit, and you can actually delete it for just the day. Actually, click on delete, not edit. And you can individually delete events instead of having to redo a whole new link. So to add that to my live link button, I'm going to go back to my math class, and on my home page, I'm going to click edit, and I already have my buttons in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on my live class links button and then go ahead and click on this hyperlink image and click edit link. I've already put that in there, but what I would do if that was not in there is I would just paste that link that I copied right from that calendar page and then click done. So when you have students in the class, they should just be able to click on that live class links button after you save it, and it should in theory take them right to the Engageli platform.